Hey guys, look who I have here back in my studio.
Yay, thanks for having me back again here.
Linora Soh. I know, I miss you too.
Oh, that's good to know.
So Linora is a wellness coach and also an athlete. What are we going to talk about today, Linora?
We are going to be talking about how you can find the perfect sports bra for you, which is a really important thing, and a lot of girls take that for granted.
Before we get started, I would like to do a really simple poll. Do you wear sports bra during training? A, yes, every single workout. B, not at all. C, occasionally, depending on what workout I'm doing. So we want to know your answer right here. Why is it so important to wear sports bra?
Ladies, it's important because you are fighting against gravity. Your chest is fighting against gravity. You want to avoid any kind of back pain. You want to avoid any kind of chest pain. You also want to avoid shafting. These are just some of the things that you need to be aware of, especially when it comes to wearing the right kind of apparel when you do any kind of training.
I think a lot of us don't realize that whenever we work out or whenever we move, our breasts are bouncing up and down.
Yes.
In and out, and also side to side.
Because remember, this is actually predominantly fat, so your muscles are nice and taut, but your fat is very mobile. So if, say for example, you're a person with an A cup, your breast actually moves 1 to 1.5 inches every time when you are doing exercise. And for ladies who are well endowed, the D cups, you actually move 2 to 3 inches. That's what you found.
And that is a lot. So just by wearing the right type of sports bra, it can reduce the movement in half.
But you see, not all sports bras are the same. It depends very much on the type of activity you're doing and also what is your body shape, your body type. You gotta find one that suits you.
Yep. Nowadays, whenever you walk into a sports store, typically they will label the sports bra in 3 categories: low impact, medium impact, and also high impact. So low impact includes activities like brisk walking, yoga, Pilates, or your favorite,
my favorite,
strength training.
Boom, yo! Medium impact activities are like cycling, Zumba, skiing, even though we don't do it here in Malaysia, but lots of Zumba. So anything that has a bit more bounce to your movement, that's where you need medium support.
And high impact workout will be my favorite. Basically, HIIT workouts, running, boot camp, or even kickboxing. So depending on what activities you're doing, you need different types of sports bra. And Linora, you will wear different sports bra depending on what you're doing on that day as well.
Yes, I would. But since predominantly most of mine is strength training, I would usually wear the low to medium impact. It's very rare that I actually pick a high impact sports bra.
Look at all the different sports bras we have right here. So we are going to look at the construction of the sports bra. There are 2 types. First is compression and the second is encapsulation. So let's start with compression, which is what I have right here. So typically these types of sports bra goes over your head and it compresses your breasts against your chest to really minimize the movement in and out. And these type of sports bra are suitable for medium to low impact activities. And because there is no real separation between the boobs, it creates sort of like a uni boob look. What Linora is having here is actually a compression sports bra. So as you can see, it creates sort of like a...
Thanks. So I got a uni boob.
And it really compresses your breast, so you sort of like look flat. Yep.
Thanks again.
Again, these types of sports bra are more suitable for people with smaller cup sizes and not great for those with big busts. It's because then you would tend to experience a lot of sweating and shafting in between your breasts.
And it's not going to be very comfortable because you can see, like, even for me now already, it's actually pretty compressed in. So not to say I don't have any, but for a person who's more well endowed, you're going to find it really uncomfortable.
So it minimizes the movement in and out, but not really up and down.
And then we've got the encapsulation bras. Great. Thank you for helping me pick one of the hard words. So this is the encapsulation bra. It is pretty much like your everyday bra where you actually have support for the individual boobs. If you turn the bra around, you can see inside it's like a cup it goes inside. There's like some depth to it. So this is actually great because you will be able to minimize the movement, not a lot, but it's not as compressed as the compression bra. In fact, Joanna, you're wearing the encapsulation bra right now.
Yeah, correct.
And it's suitable for any type of activity depending on what you are doing, because at least then, I personally like this type because when you are wearing any kind of outfit, you kind of still have a bit of shape.
Yeah, correct.
Compared to the compression.
Nowadays, you can actually get the combination. So it's a combination of compression, which is what I have here, and also encapsulation. So it goes over your head, but it has individual cups. So this sports bra is great for medium to high impact activities. It offers great support and lots of comfort as well.
And the great thing about the encapsulated and also compression bra, if say you don't know which bra to buy and you're on a budget, you might as well just get one, which is a combination, so that way you know you're going to have the right support and it's not going to be moving all over the place.
Yeah, so you can wear this for low impact, medium impact, and even high impact activities.
Basically, it's bang for your buck.
Yeah. So let's take a look at the back part of the sports bra. So we have typically crisscross, racer back, and also tank top. This, what I have here, is racer back, so it creates like a Y shape. It is typically non-adjustable, so you have to make sure that you get the right fit right from the start. And this again goes over your head. So some of us might be struggling, you know, like, you know what I mean?
That should be a video
like,
by
oh
itself.
my God. But again, I love this type of sports bra because it offers really good support.
Yes. Even though you are gonna feel like you're coming out of a straitjacket most of the time with something like this, but it does the job.
And crisscross.
Okay, so crisscross is like this one over here, and over here, and over here. Crisscross usually can be adjustable, but it also can come without any adjustable straps. And this, it can be used for either the low, medium, or the high impact bra, as you can see. Like this one that I'm holding here is a low impact bra, and the crisscross, you can see that you can adjust it and fine tune it to however you feel it fits you best.
Yep. And also the final category is the tank top. Yup. So this tank top basically has a built-in sports bra. And usually these types of, I would say, outfit is suitable for low-impact activities. Those of you who enjoy doing yoga, Pilates, or just brisk walking.
And personally, it's great when you're traveling, less things to bring. The reason why I'm holding this here is because the tank top also could mean where it's just like your everyday bra, where it's just two straps like that. It's a big hole. There is no crisscross at the back. The final feature we want to take note of for a sports bra is whether it's a pullover or a clasp kind of bra. So which one do you prefer, Joanna? The pullover or the clasp? And same for you.
I prefer the clasps actually. So like what I'm wearing right now. It's because it's so much easier to wear and so much easier to take it off.
It's like an actual bra.
Yeah, correct.
All right, so let's explain a bit more about the pullover first.
So with the pullover types of bra, it covers the back part more. It is, you know, it is a great support, but honestly, with those of you with bigger boobs, it is hard to put it on and to get it out.
Yeah, and then with the clasp, it is, like I mentioned, is like your everyday kind of bra where, can you turn it around? Okay.
Yeah.
So this happens, there's a clasp over there, like this.
Take it off.
And no, don't take it off.
Or put it on.
Now the thing with the clasp, this is 70% of where the support is coming from, and this is going to help tighten the band for your sports bra. This is really important, especially for those who are more well endowed, because you really want to get that kind of support over here. So that's why if you actually look at the charts, a clasp kind of sports bra is highly recommended for those with bigger breasts.
Yeah, now that we know the construction of the different types of sports bra, and if you already have sports bra at home, try it on and see if it fits you right. So here are 4 signs that your sports bra doesn't fit you. The first is if you experience breast or back pain. If your breasts or back hurt, it can mean that you are wearing a bra with the wrong amount of support. It might be too loose, hence it is not holding your boobs in place, or it might be too tight. And therefore, yeah, like I've experienced it before.
Yes,
When it is too tight, I just want to get out of it. I can't breathe.
Mine is, I can't even put it on.
that is wrong.
That's completely wrong. Like I was here and I was like, no, I gotta pull it out.
Yeah.
It's like you're coming out from You're coming out from your mom's womb. That's what it feels like, actually. The second point to find out if you have the right bra, when you raise your hands up, the band here should not move. See, the band is where most of the support is holding your boobies. Now, if the band goes up when your hands go up, that means it's probably too loose. So you need to find one that where the band fits snugly onto your rib cage and it doesn't move all the place. A good way to actually gauge it is taking 2 fingers, and you should be able to run it around. It should be just 2 fingers, not more than that. It should definitely not be 1 finger. And the next point, the shoulder straps. The shoulder straps should not be digging into your shoulders like they want to kill you. It should be fit snugly. So same thing, just like the band, 2 fingers. So you should also be able to run 2 fingers in the strap, and you know that is going to be comfortable for you.
Yeah, so if you are constantly pulling your sports bra down when you're working out, then it is definitely the wrong fit. And the final sign is that if your breasts are spilling all over the place, I've experienced that before. That means you are buying a cup too small for you. You have to either go one size up, or maybe that design is just not for you.
Another fact, one of the best ways to find out if the bra is your size, when you go to any bra shop and they do the measurement for you. Say for example, I'm a 34B, so find the sports bra that is actually similar to that. They usually now in stores, even though it says S or XS, they would actually state 34B is actually an S, for example. But still, you got to try it out and see whether it actually fits.
So when you go into the store, here is what to do. First of all, you want to make sure that your breast sits comfortably in the cup, okay? So it's not overspilling, it's not too loose. And secondly, raise your hands up and down, making sure that the sports bra isn't going up or down.
And the other thing is 2 fingers around the band and on the straps to make sure it fits nicely and snug.
And the final part, which is extremely important.
Get ready.
I don't care, do it, okay? So I want you to jump up and down, all right? Run on the spot. I don't care if you want to run around the store, do it, okay? Because you want to really feel what the support is like.
Really,
for
we're
the
running
sports bra. Yeah, that's what I do. I'll just run around the store.
No, I mean like we're doing it now.
Yeah, jump up and down, and sometimes I'll do jumping jacks just to make sure there's no like chefing around the corners, and do all sorts of things because this is an investment.
Yes, you want to make sure you have something good on you so that you can focus on your training. You don't want to be worried about like, oh no, something's coming out here or something is moving up there. That is the worst thing to adjust clothes when you are doing any kind of mobile activity.
It should really enhance your performance for you to perform better.
Yes.
If you do have any questions in regards to sports bras or just training in general, do leave us a comment below, okay? Let us know what you think about this video, what do you enjoy, or if you have any other topics which you would love for both of us to share about, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Head over to Linora's YouTube channel, subscribe to her channel because you will find out a lot more about.
I'm going to be doing reviews. I'm also going to be doing educational stuff on how to train better, and also meal prep videos, nutritional stuff. All that is going to be on my channel, so please hop on.
Yeah, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.